Hey everybody! So for math, we compare and measure objects, and to see which object is heavier or lighter, we could use a balance scale. Now this isn't going to tell us how heavy or how light. It's not a scale like that you would step on and find out how much you weigh, but this one can tell us what's heavier and what's lighter. So I do have two objects here, the rubber duck and this toy cup, and they are about the same size. So we're going to see what happens when I put the duck in the cup. You can see that when this side lowers, that it's showing that this cup here, whatever's inside, is heavier, and this one here is lighter. So now we're going to see what happens when we put the cup in here and see. Oh, now see, I would say they're not quite balanced. This one is up just a little bit, this one is just slightly down. So, but they are almost weighing the same here. Which one do you see is heavier, the duck or the cup? Now, if you said the duck because it's just a little bit lower, you are correct. So whichever objects you choose, you can tell between two different objects what's heavier or lighter. You can also do this a different way. So if you have some counters, you can test out and see and put the counters in one side and the object in the other. And as you can see, these counters are heavy. And so when we put an object in, and we can see if it changes. Oh, this makes it a little bit heavier, but then we would have to take some of these objects out to try and get to the point where, and I'm just going to lift it so you can see, what we want to see is it balanced. And then you can count to see how many bears it took to balance the two cups, to see how many bears, essentially how many bears does it weigh, does the object weigh. So that's another way of doing that little math and science experiment. Thank you for listening. I hope you get the chance to try this at home.